breaking through mass production bottlenecks for carbon nanotubes. Choosing the right equipment is key. Boyee CVD single-walled carbon nanotube growth equipment has been successfully delivered to multiple customers. Step 1. Precision installation. Our technical team conducts standardized equipment entry, positioning, and assembly according to the client's factory layout. From equipment securing to pipeline connections, every detail strictly adheres to industry standards. Step 2. Professional commissioning. Following installation, technicians perform one-on-one calibration according to the client's mass production requirements. Key parameters, including reactor temperature, gas composition, and gross cycle control, are repeatedly calibrated and optimized until optimal operating conditions are achieved. All deployed equipment is now operating stably, with all performance metrics meeting the client's mass production standards. Step 3. Trial production plus personnel training. Following commissioning, trial production commences immediately to validate mass production outcomes on site. Concurrently, we provide hands-on training for the client's operational team, covering the entire workflow, from equipment startup/shutdown and parameter adjustment to daily maintenance and troubleshooting, ensuring the client team can operate the equipment independently and efficiently. From installation to production launch, Boyee employs a standardized 3-step process to help clients rapidly establish carbon nanotube mass production chains. Multiple companies have achieved stable mass production of carbon nanotubes using Boyee's equipment. Choosing Boyee means selecting a proven and reliable mass production solution.